Imagine what Brookly. Today is Wednesday, the 3rd of February, so we are halfway through the week now, and I'm hoping that everybody's getting on okay so far. So part of today's plan is for English report writing, and I'm going to use my screen here to go through the page with you because report writing is something a little bit new for us. And with report writing, it's writing something, a factual report. So factual or facts mean things that are true. So when you're report writing, it is when you write something about what has happened. For example, when you're writing your news, every Monday is a form of report writing. So when you open your book, the new Treasury 1, page 16, it will look like this. And some of you may have already completed this blue part, and that's okay. We're going to look at it now again for a few minutes, and the main part I want to look at then is part B, which we definitely have not done yet. So let's just go through the page all together, and I want you to listen, and when I'm finished then you can do the page then for yourself. So to complete the report, you need to use the words in this green box here to fill in the blanks. So the words to fill in, these are the key words: fast, fun, place, always, and whiz. Whiz is a WH word, which is one of our phonics words today, so that's a good connection. Then underneath the report goes fun in the snow. So there are lots of ways to have blank in the snow. So let's use these words and see which one fits in the best. Let's try the first one. There are lots of ways to have fast in the snow. I don't think that one fits in, so we're not going to go with that one. Let's try the next one. There are lots of ways to have fun in the snow. Yeah, I think that one fits in perfectly. So what you're going to do is write fun on the line and then cross it out or circle it so that you know you've used fun already. The next part, some people like to blank downhill on a sledge. So some people like to fast downhill on a sledge. No. Some people like to place downhill on a sledge. No. Some people like to always downhill on a sledge. No, doesn't make sense either. Some people like to whiz downhill on a sledge. Yeah, I think that one fits in best. So you're going to write whiz on the line and then cross it out. They can go really blank. So they can go really fast. Yeah, I think fast is the best one to fit in there. The snowiest blank on earth is in Japan. So the snowiest, so we've used fast, we've used fun. So let's try place. The snowiest place on earth is in Japan. Yeah, that one definitely fits in perfectly. And then the last one, it is always fun to see snow. So there are some very good facts for your report to write. When you're finished this part and you filled in the blanks, then I want you to start looking at part B, and this is going to be done in your writing copy. So write your own report. So this time you're going to write about having fun in the sun and use 2 of the facts below. So the sunniest months in Ireland are May and June. Fun things to do in the sun: swimming, playing outside, camping, and going to the beach. So you're going to write some facts about having fun in the sun, just like this report here. And you're going to create your own report. And when you're finished, don't forget your capital letters, check you have all those done, your finger spaces and your full stops. And make sure that you're really, really concentrating on small writing. First class, we need to have smaller writing and concentrating on your tall letters and your small letters, okay? And then when you're finished, it would be fantastic if you could send that to me on Aladdin. Then when you're finished your report, you're going back to the plan then, and the next thing is later or whenever you get a chance, you can go into epic reading and choose a new book. And your Wednesday spellings are whisper, what, and when. Some nice WH words there. For maths, you're going to do some counting. So for operation maths, you're going to open on page 70 and page 71. And it's just some number work, some estimation and some counting there. So estimate means to guess. So to make a guess how many circles are in the big circle. And then you count them and see did you get it close? Was your estimation close to the correct answer? Then on page 71, how far out was your estimate from the count? So try that one there as well. Irish, then we're working on Ceacht a Cuaig in Téma AD, so click on the link for YouTube and go through some of the vocabulary there. So have a look then on Buna Kainta page 48. Look at the picture on the right hand side. Each word in the three fish do you think matches the picture? And then write the correct word underneath each picture. So it could be lampa or laba, leeward, lena, lower, luck, laka or lewiscon. And then as a little break or an activity to get you up and moving and physical activity for PE, there are some suggested PE there. You don't have to do them all. This is for you to choose which one you would prefer to do, or if you'd like to do some cosmic yoga, or if you'd like to do some Go Noodle instead. If the weather is nice, you could also try and get outside. I know it was very miserable yesterday. It didn't stop raining all day, but if today is a little bit nicer, it might be nice to get out and get some fresh air and go for a walk maybe. So that's it for today, everybody. I'm looking forward to seeing you all on Friday in our Zoom catch up. I'll give you the details for all them tomorrow. So today, have a great day, and I'll speak to you all in the morning. Take care.